My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you in getting rid of the ransomware called USR. USR is the ransomware from the Phobos ransomware family. My video is solely for the educational purposes. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is and how it affects the files. So you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, we are able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this USR ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users would realize that something bad, something extraordinary has taken place with their data, and that they cannot access their files anymore. So this is what happens. You try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the USR extension. As you see, the ransomware also reveals this ransom note indicating that the files have been encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then once it gets installed, start carefully researching your system with its help. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature, but this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best way for protecting your files in the future.